What's up, everybody? So instead of being Weatherman Don with the green screen and just charts behind me, talk about something that I just keep getting messages about. It's the one and only I don't know, I could have come up with a better intro for him. Mr. Meetkevin. He's starting a trading challenge now, and everyone's like, "Hey, what do you think about that?" Like, you know, at first it's like, I can't wait, because now what? When I click on a video, am I going to hear about that every 30 seconds? It's got to be. He's got to have a business plan of 30 seconds or 90 seconds in his ads. Business wise, I get it. I'll never get over that though. That irks me. And then someone told me he's going to do it with 5 million. He's like, "Hey, what are your thoughts?" So as a trader, and that's what I've been doing for in a couple months, 10 years. That's literally been my income. Um, I don't know. I think it's cool. So when I found out it's 5 million, and I don't hear the pitches. I know it's $5 million he's going to trade with. It's $600 to buy the course. I'm sure that's an expiring coupon code. The course is probably $1 million, but the coupon code expires this Friday. No matter when you watch this video, it expires this Friday. All right, I'm done picking on Kevin on that. Kevin, please stop. Please, for the love of God, make a video without that once, and then send it to me, just so I can watch a video without that. Like the good old days before you were just sleazing out ads when you did real estate stuff. All right. I actually think it's kind of cool, to be honest. So $5 million is not the trading challenges that a lot of other YouTubers do. There's some ups and downs to this. 5 million. I don't think Kevin's gonna take on a bunch of risk on that at all. With 5 million, that's enough capital. He can sell cash secured puts. I'm just shooting from the limb here. I bet he uses that capital and he sells a bunch of puts. He'll probably sell out of the money options. With $5 million, he can still put up numbers like how I made $15,000 today. In a YouTube thumbnail, it looks really cool, and he can tell you guys in his videos, if you want to know how I made $15,000, I got an expiring link. Go watch this course. I don't know if it's gonna be on YouTube or if it's a course. Yeah, it's a course. It's $600. I'm sure he'll talk about it on his YouTube to promote it even more. So I don't know how much Kevin knows about this. I bet, again, entry-level stuff. He'll sell some options. A lot of people go through this phase where they sell options, and, man, they finally get this win streak. Because just in the numbers game, when you sell options, you definitely win more than you lose. But those losers, if you get in the wrong ones, you're just going to get throttled. And it is going to just delete some of those wins quick. You'll delete the last 10 wins in the blink of an eye. You sell the wrong ones. Let's say you're selling calls naked. It's like the last one you can get approved for is selling naked calls, because sky's the limit. You want to just get bent over. Think of the guys that were selling $10 strike calls in GameStop, and then GameStop pumped like that. Sorry for the dog barking. There's someone at my front door. Unfortunately, I don't like to edit things. We're going to keep this thing rolling. So I think it's cool that he's going to probably bring more awareness to this, because there's that statistic that 95% of the people that do this fail, and I think that's a crap statistic anyway. Not that it's not true, but just think of how many people just take money, they put it in an account because they heard about something on Facebook, and then they buy it, they lose, and then like, oh, it's gambling. They chalk it up to that, and then they roll out. That's got to be a lot of accounts. So when you put all that in there, they failed. And you can definitely turn your cell phone into a casino for sure. So hopefully bring some light to that. Now I'm not gonna. If there was ever anything I could say to Kevin is, why don't you just give the people that took your FTX link, why don't you let them have this for free? And now I do say that's not a dig. The one thing I think Kevin will probably do with this, because I don't think he's going to look stupid. I think he's going to sell some stuff, and again, take those base hits. And people don't know that those accumulate so much with the following he has. He may just go directional and we just get to watch him have fun. Or I think he's going to take a bunch of base hits and probably wake up everyone's eyes, like open up everyone's eyes to that. Like, hey, like maybe percentage-wise it wasn't much, but that 1%, it just keeps adding up, and that just keeps going. So while he's got $5 million and you're going to try to trade it, I would argue probably most people are under PDT. You know, maybe they make a couple hundred. But the consistency of that will probably end up beating the brakes off of they tried to YOLO something or they bought and held, you know, like Peloton. I hope it puts an end to the argument of this diamond hands crap. Shout out to the diamond handers on Peloton and Carvana and all those other cool ones. Every year has a theme. People buy and hold it. Kevin got called a flip-flopper. These guys are on a burning ship making s'mores. Like, hey, why don't you get off that for a second? Like, sometimes, like, trading can be profitable. You don't have to get, you know, like, I tell, like, on my videos, you guys heard me say this, I have an income bias, not a directional bias. Like, is this going to make me money? Yes or no? And if it's a no, I'm not here. Like, I'm not here to just piss money down a drain. So, I do think it'll bring probably more an awareness to that. And that's going to be cool because... we got enough YouTubers talking about, well, just dollar cost average into SPY. Like, sweet. I could put your whole video, I could put your whole channel in a pamphlet. And that's that. Your clickbait thumbnails of panic now, but I'm not going to panic. I'm going to dollar cost average into SPY. Like, I would rather listen to a video of just Kevin's ads and life insurance than listen to one more YouTuber say that. So if you are watching, you are a part of this this challenge of his. I can't say pay attention because I don't know how it's going to pan out. If I say all this, like, basically just like saying, hey, I hope you do good. I know, obviously I hope he does do well. But he goes in his first place GameStop. I don't want to hear another word about it. Hopefully he knows enough now to at least get into the sell game, keep it consistent, and just show people the path. And I say it this way because I don't think the market's at a bottom. And when we do find a bottom, it's not going to be 2021. That's not how the markets work. Every YouTuber was right in 2021 because all they had to do was show up. Idiots made money. The only thing that held me back was my knowledge in 2021. Like, had I just not had risk management, I would have killed what I did. If I was just stupid, I would have made more money. But no, because I have thoughts of risk management, how to do it properly, how to, just asset allocation. You sucked in 2021. Like, you did good, but you didn't do what those Wall Street Bets kid did. Like, they were killing it because they were ignorant. I don't call them dumb. I'll say ignorant to the thing. Anyway, I hope he does kill it. And if you have a small account, you know, not 5 million, hopefully there's some. Is he doing call outs? I don't think you can do call outs. You know what I say what I say in my videos, right? I don't do call outs, but if you agree with my play, maybe you took it. Maybe some of you guys will agree with taking those small base hits, and I hope that's what Kevin does, just so we can stop seeing some of this crap out there. I would settle for literally anyone taking better trades at this point, because these financial gurus suck. The whole FTX thing lost a lot of people money. YouTubers they didn't see that coming in. They're playing the game, just the YouTube game. You clicked, you put a bunch of money in there. Again, you didn't read the disclaimer of this can happen, and you just breezed right by that. So your wallets probably are feeling a little light right now after that. Take some of these base hits. It might feel like you dug a hole with a big shovel and you got a little garden shovel filling it in. That's certainly better than just standing there staring at it, complaining. When's that mean comment you put on anyone's post going to make you any money back? I've never seen a profitable person just sit on the internet complaining all day long. So get to work. Hopefully it pans out. I'm rooting for it at least. Something. He's got a big following. So anyway, that's actually my thoughts. I'm sure he's going to get a bunch of hate. Traders always do. Because it's gambling and whatever. Just be professional gamblers and move on. Anyway, I'll wrap it up here. Good luck to everybody that's going to not copy but agree with some of his plays. If you're in it, hopefully you make your money back and turn this into a profitable thing. I'll see you guys all in the next video.